It's your boy, Sis Traders, and today we're gonna be focusing on stock trend lines. Number one, we have uptrend, and then we have downtrend. We have channel lines and resistant lines. We also have more, but today I will just touch four of those. Here's one of our examples that I've drawn myself that I can just show how you spot an uptrend. An uptrend you can see by higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Then that's where we can confirm that any stock that you might be analyzing at that point or wherever you are, maybe it's Nasdaq, USD JPY, GBP JY, you always have to know if it has higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, it's considered an uptrend. A few example I can show you here is with some stocks maybe, or let me try on Forex, USD CAD, yeah. And then here we'll show you an example of a downtrend. Downtrend is a lower high, low, lower highs, lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower lows. So every time when you spot that, it's pretty much simple. As always, as you see something going down, it's a downtrend. The trend is going down. I will show you an example in USD CAD again of a downtrend. Here's one here. Here's another example of a downtrend. Always try to keep yourself informative. Always try to keep yourself informed. Meet the right people. Don't change mentors. Always stick to one mentor. Here we have one. This is a downtrend, but as far as I can see, I've kind of like stretched it. I can just do this, Let me just start it precisely. My God. Yeah, so here's one. We have a lower high, lower low. You see, it goes like that again. There, that's when you'll see that we have an example of a downtrend. Okay, you can see as far as where I've clicked is like it's a downtrend. It lasted for a couple of days, but that's not where we are. Where we are is here. So there I've shown you like a downtrend. That's how you spot it: lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, all the time. And then the line of resistance is these lines that always try to resist. I will show you here with US 30. Let me go check US 30. On the indices US 30, I've already marked a couple of resistant lines for you there, guys. Okay. So basically a resistant line is something like this. Something like this. Here you can spot a resistant line, and here's another one. Here's another one. A resistant line simply represents that when a price touches a certain level or a certain price specifically, it will react according and upon to what the history has told, or if the price had been respected before. So that's how you can spot a resistant line. So other than that, I will show you here. These are just simple examples that you can use for yourself every time. So as far as you can see here, a resistance line will always try to go up, and then when it reaches this 198.339 level, it will go down, and then it will start to respect at this level 1,98271, and then it will start to respect that price again, goes up and down. It's like an imbalance. It's in a recession. Hope you are aware. Go and use the Forex dictionary. A recession, it's an imbalance whereby like it's kind of like two heavyweights who are equal in strength and everything and skill. They can't beat each other, but at the end of the day, one has to die. It's like it's trying to fight for a breakthrough. That's line of resistance. And then the channel lines, as these lines that we see here, this is another example of a channel line. How do you spot it? You can just come here on your trend line and correct it the way exactly you see it, where you see the candlestick turning. Just start there and leave it for like a couple of hours. It will start to form like a price action. This here, we call this a price action, which we call a pennant. Go check my other video, that's where I explain them very well. And then this line here, as far as I've been telling you about, the channel lines basically just means the price is actually playing along this channel, which can be seen as a pennant or a rising channel, what might signify a buy. And here's another example of the channel lines. Here it's a channel, but an upturned channel, so we gotta lock in the trend so that we can get to see which price action is that. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you need more, you can just ask questions on the comment sections. I love you all. I'll be with you out.